Okay, I'm about to unbox something so amazing with you. It is the Pixie Cup steamer, and this says on it that it kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria, cleans in 3 minutes, and is BPA free. The reason I'm so excited about this product is because up until now, I have sterilized my cup between uses by boiling water on the stove and then putting my cup in it and then letting it boil for like 5 to 10 minutes. But not only is that inconvenient, it doesn't feel amazingly sanitary. I know it works, but I don't love it. And also my cup kind of like floats to the top of the water and I have to like push it down. So where it works, it's not ideal. So I didn't know there were any other options, which is why I can't wait to open this up. So I'm gonna open it up here. Let me get it out of this plastic real quick. And here is the steamer. Super self-explanatory. It looks like you can just take this off, put water in there, put your cup in there, and then put it back on, I'd assume. Small and easy. And then it looks like there's a little microfiber cloth to wipe it down with. And let's see what this little pamphlet says. So it says, yep, you remove the lid, fill it with purified water into the center, and then place your Pixie Cup stem side up on the inner platform of the steamer and replace the cover. Then there's a little illustration right here that shows how to put your cup in there. Then it says you plug in the steamer. If the light's not on, press the button to start steaming your cup. After 3 minutes, the steamer automatically powers off and the light will turn off. And then it says to give your cup maximum sterilization, leave the Pixie Cup inside with the cover on for 20 minutes before removing the cup. Then it also says, again, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, which is incredible. I am so excited to try this because, like I said, boiling on the stove is inconvenient, but this looks extremely convenient. So I will be trying this ASAP, and then I will let you know what I think. But again, this is the Pixie Cup, the Pixie Cup steamer.